Vlog lang tayo about dun sa opinion ng iba na, yung longevity versus efficiency. Na marami nagsasabi na you're the GOAT because the longer you play. No. Kasi pag sinabi mong certain standard, okay, meron akong nakitang video sa TikTok that actually yung 1992 Dream Team pa rin ang may pinakamataas na winning margin sa buong kasaysayan ng sa buong kasaysayan ng USA Basketball. 44 points ang winning margin nila, samantalang itong latest is around 20 to 30 points lang. 22 to 30 points to be exact. So ano bang certain standard? Yung certain standard na yun is you had to hold that. At kaya ka naglalaro longer para mapatunayan na kaya mo lampasan yung standard na yun. It doesn't mean that you're good because you play longer. No. You play long because on that certain state, hindi mo pa rin maabot yung standard na yun. Ano yung standard na yun? Winning basketball games. And it doesn't mean na napachampion mo yung iba't ibang team sa NBA. It doesn't mean that you're good. Remember, buti sana kung wala kang losing record in a championship game or in a finals game. Yun lang ang opinion ko dyan. Napachampion mo nga yung iba't ibang team, iba't ibang NBA team, kahit saan sila kahit saan ka nagpunta, champion sila. But the most important thing is your losing record. Kasama yun. Greatness defines winning. So, kahit isang city lang ang napa-champion mo, isang NBA team lang napa-champion mo, may losing record ka ba on a championship game? You played less games. You only play 100 plus games compared to 200 plus games. Pero, tingnan mo naman yung inaano ng team. Although dahil pumapasok sila sa playoffs, pero ikaw lang ba yung dahilan bakit sila nasa playoffs? Ibig sabihin, do you request GMs to trade you or to trade for you? Diba? I mean, isang player lang yung kilala ko na bumubuhat. Ay, 2 player pala yung kilala kong bumubuhat kahit sino lineup nila. At 3. The very recent is in 2011. So, alam nyo na siguro kung sino tinutukoy ko. Kasi sinasabi nyo, pag naglaro si ganito sa LA Olympics sa 2028, GOAT na yan. Paano mo nasabi? Kaya nga naglaro ng mas mahaba yan. Kaya nga maglalaro yan ng mas mahaba kasi hanggang ngayon, hindi niya pa rin maabot yung certain standard na yun. You're supposed to win when you're at your peak. You're not supposed to win when you're old. And yung original number 23, win at his peak. Okay? Ang prime niya is from 1987 to 1993. Yung 1987 to 1990, individual awards yun. From 1991 to 1993, championship. So, paano mo tatalunin yun? So, yun lang po.